This hair butter is packed with powerful ingredients that are great for all hair types, especially if you're looking to lock in moisture and strengthen your strands. So, guys, sit back, relax, stay tuned. I'll be right back. Oh, it's Rita, baby. Oh. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to make a luxurious all natural hair butter that will nourish your scalp, promote growth and keep your scalp healthy. So let's get started. So I'm using my moringa leaf, my raw shea butter. I'm also using the flaxseed and then the fenugreek. So now I'm going to blend these dry ingredients. I'll use my dry blender to grind the flaxseed and fenugreek first. I wanted to get them into a smooth, a fine powder. So I went in and add two tablespoons of fenugreek and 2 tablespoons of flaxseed. So after blending it, it's looking like this. So I went ahead and transfer it into a container and set it aside. And then I went ahead to get my moringa leaves and blend them also. After blending, it is giving us this. So I went ahead to melt my shea butter using the double boiling method. This method gently melts the shea butter without destroying its nutrients. So I would personally advise you to do the same when melting yours. So after the shea butter starts to melt, I gradually add the powdered flaxseed, fenugreek and moringa mixture into the melted butter. This step is key because we want to infuse all those amazing ingredients into the butter. So I let the mixture sit for about 10 minutes on low heat to ensure a good infusion. So you will notice that the shea butter taking a lovely earthly scent from the moringa and fenugreek. Once the infusion is complete, I set it aside to let it cool. If you have watched this video up to this moment, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, share it with anyone you think could benefit from this DIY recipe. And if you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you never miss a new video from me. Thank you. Now, cooling is important because we don't want to lose any of the beneficial properties of our ingredients by adding the oils while it's still hot. So after it cooled to room temperature, I'm going to sieve it like you're seeing right now, and to make sure it is not really smooth per se, because I also love to have this a little bit particles in the butter. I actually sieve this twice. This helps to remove any leftover, just to reduce more particles from the oil, so giving us this like kind of silky smooth hair butter in the end, although with a little bit of herbs that you can see in the butter. Now that I'm done sieving, I place it in the fridge for 45 minutes. This helps to solidify it just enough to take the next step. So after 45 minutes, I brought it out from the fridge, grabbed my hand mixer and start whipping. Whipping the hair butter gives it a fluffy light texture, making it easy to apply to your hair without feeling it feeling too heavy or greasy. Yeah. At some point, I stopped whipping and I added my vitamin E oil, starting with a few pumps of it. It's an antioxidant properties, followed by castor oil, which is fantastic for promoting hair growth and adding shine. And also finally, I had a few drops of lavender essential oil. Now this is totally optional, but I love how it leaves a relaxing scent on my hair. Once everything is added, I continue mixing it until it's completely smooth and creamy. Let me show you the texture. It's so creamy, soft, and lightweight. It melts beautifully when you rub it between your fingertips. This texture is perfect for applying to both your hair and scalp without any grease residue. If you have dry, damaged hair or are just looking to add some extra shine and softness, this hair butter is going to be your new best friend. It's rich, nourishing, and completely natural, so your hair gets the best care possible. Now I'm applying this on my scalp, gently massaging it in to stimulate blood circulation. You can also use it as a sealant after moisturizing your hair or even as a leave-in treatment before braiding or styling. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you give this DIY hair butter a try. Let me know in the comment section if you do and how it was for you. Until next time, take care and keep your hair happy and healthy. Bye.
Daisy.